Hello everyone, this is Mahima here to explain my first experiment in Unix and Linux lab, which consists of the basic commands used. First of all, I'm supposed to list the contents of the user's home directory, including the hidden files. For doing that, I have a command called as ls followed by -a. On giving this, we can see that we are having many files, including certain files in a different color. Those files which are succeeding a full stop is the hidden file. So here we have certain hidden files like these. Now for the second one, I'm supposed to list the contents of the /var directory. In order to do that, first I have to change my directory from the home directory to /var, which is done this way. And then on giving ls, I can list all the files that is consisted in a directory. So here are my files in /var directory. Now I can go back to my home directory. Now I am supposed to create two directories, 1 and 2. For that we have a command mkdir followed by the directory name. I have created my first one. Now the similar way I can give for my second directory. So both of them are created. Now for the next one, I have to create a hidden directory with my name, which is also done in the same way, but the directory name is given by a full stop followed by the directory name because it's a hidden directory. Now for the next one, I have to change into my directory 1. For that, again I give cd followed by the directory name. Now I'm inside my directory 1. Now here I have to copy the file /etc/password file to current directory with sample.txt. For that I have a command called as cp, which stands for copy, followed by the etc/password and then the file that I would like to copy. Now if you want to check if it is actually copied or not, I can do it by giving ls, and yes, we can see that it has been copied. Now I have to go to my home directory and check if I am actually in my home directory. For that I use pwd command, and with this we can actually say that I am in the desired directory. Now for the next one, I am supposed to create a file test1.txt, and then I have to give all of this data. I have done this already, and in order to create a file, I give the command as touch followed by the name. After that, in order to insert the data, I give it as cat followed by the name. As I have already created, I can view what I have created by giving this command. So this is my test1.txt. Now I'm supposed to display the student names who are having the interest research as grid computing. For that we have a command grep followed by the string which you would like to check for, as here it is grid computing for me. I give that and then the file name. So only those comes where the word grid computing can be seen under the research interest column. So there are 3 datas. After that, I am supposed to list all the student names and the register number in the class. For that, I have a command cut followed by -f and the columns. This is done in order to specify or to display the specific columns that you would like to have from the table data. This is followed by the file name. Alright. You can see that my name and register number has alone been displayed. Now I have to display the contents of file test1.txt without any blank lines. For doing that, I have a command cat followed by the file name followed by -s. On doing this, I can see that there aren't any blank lines in my output. Now I have to move the file sample.txt from directory 1 to directory 2. This can be done by giving First of all, I have to go to this directory 2. Over there I have to check for its link. Now I can go back to my directory 1, and here I have to give the command as nv, which stands for move, followed by the file name that I want to move and the location to which I want to move. So here, as it is directory 2, I am giving in this way. Now it has been copied. Now I can go to my directory 2 and check if it has already been copied or not. Yes, it has been copied. Now I have to check if it is present. As we saw, it is present. Now I have to rename the file sample.txt to new.txt. This can be done again by giving move command. And now I have to check if sample.txt is there or not. For that I can give ls and see that it has been replaced by new.txt. Now I have to display the calendar of December 2020. For that I have a command cal followed by the month number followed by the year. So I get my calendar. Now I have to remove the directory dir1. Now I can go back to my home directory first, and over there we have a command rm, which stands for remove, followed by -r followed by the directory name. Now I can see that my directory is no longer present. We can confirm it in this way. Now I have to display the last 3 lines of the file test1.txt. For that I have my command called as tail, which is given so that I can display my data from the bottom, followed by the number of lines, that is 3, and then from my particular file. I can see that my data has been displayed. Now I have to display all the commands we have executed so far into a file named today's history. For that, first of all, I create a file. Now in order to append or insert the history, I have a command called as history, which has the whole history of the commands we have used so far. So I give that greater than history.txt. Now if I want to view it, all I have to do is go here, give cat. So my entire history gets displayed in the file that we have created. Now I want to see how many files are present in my home directory. For that I have a command ls followed by -l, pipe, then word count followed by -l again. Now I can see that there are 136 files. If I'd like to confirm, all I have to give is just ls, and these are my entire files. So 136 is the total count of the files that I have. That's all for my experiment. Thank you for watching.